Imagine, one fine day, you get up, check your bank account, and boom, it's zero. Or maybe your social media account has been hacked and all your personal information is leaked online. Sounds like a nightmare, right? But this is not fiction. It's happening for real in India as well as abroad. Now recently, WazirX, one of the India's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, lost about $230 million in cyber thieves. This is not only happening in businesses, but institutions like AIMS have also been attacked, with hackers stealing patient records as well as disrupting essential services. These attacks scream one thing: we need cybersecurity experts more than ever before. But how do you become one? Here are some top universities that offer programs in cybersecurity: International University of Applied Sciences in Germany, London Metropolitan Universities in the UK, Technological University Dublin in Ireland, Monash University in Australia, University of Alabama at Birmingham in United States. So if you want to stay close at home, there is an Australian university called Deakin University which offers Masters in Cybersecurity in India, Gujarat. Why these universities in specific? Well, these universities will provide you hands-on training in areas like ethical hacking, AI expertise, and cyber forensics. They make you work with top tech companies and labs where a student can gain skills which is required to tackle future cybersecurity problems. Now, if you want to become a cybersecurity pro, connect with IMS Venturi and we will help you with university options, apply for scholarship, and visa processes. Thank you for watching.